Hello my babies, we are back with another very exciting Rawgear haul, but not just any Rawgear haul. Oh no folks, it is the Black Friday / anime Rawgear haul babies. So that means everything you see in this haul today, starting today, 12 p.m. PST, for the rest of the week, for an entire week, everything you see in this haul, if you use discount code Mama Swole, it is 30% off, bro. 30% off, ladies and gentlemen. That is a good deal. So first we have this yellow, very large tee with the graphic. If you can see it, I think you can. And this little, right here, dope, comfy, cute yellow. It's like sunshine. You know, I feel like sunshine in the shirt. Actually, I feel like ketchup and mustard right now, but it's fine. And then we've got the Demon Slayer. You guys, this is my favorite item of the drop. My favorite item of the mother drop is these sweatpants. I love them. Yeah, y'all, I love Demon Slayer. That's probably one of my top 3 animes. Love it. They're so big. They're so comfy. Look at this. Also, they have a string, like if you want to make them tighter. They've got the pockets. They've got the Rawgear logo. Oh my gosh, I need to stand way further away. You probably can't even see what's going on. But yes, and if you wanted, my girlies or my boys, because boys should wear crop tops too. Okay, don't get it twisted. You could like tie it up, you could cut it, you know, you could do whatever you want. You could live your life, baby. So yes, Demon Slayer sweats, this top, these sweats. We also have these sweats and more colors. So let's show you the next item, shall we? Next items, we have this black oversized tee, another comfy ass one. We got this dude, check him out. What's he doing? Uh-oh. We got this logo on the back, about to fly away. I hope you can see that, man. And then we've got these red Naruto sweatpants. I was saying Naruto, man. I know I'm not saying it right, but it's fine. I think the key word today, the word of the day, is comfy. Because everything in this haul is so comfy. By the way, these hats with the animal thing, I'm pretty sure those are getting restocked too. So yes, second outfit. You can wear it anywhere. To the gym, to the library, to the grocery store, to the prom. People might look at you funny, but hey, no one's gonna remember anyways one day, you know? To the next item. Alright, so we also have those same Naruto pants. Naruto. In yellow. Yeller. Comfy, huge. Not huge, but like spacious. Pockets. Naruto's head is right here, or somebody's head. I never watched that one, alright? I just got the sweatpants because I like them, god damn it. But we have the same Naruto pants also in black, baby. So, black, yellow, red, you've got options. Let's go to the next item. And for the last fit, we have this tan-ish little set, the Demon Slayer, baby. Oh yeah, I really like this one. I think this might be my favorite just because it matches so well. It's just so cute. It's such a look, you know, such a vibe. I'm talking like a millennial, or is that a Gen Z lingo? I don't know, but it's really cute, bro. I love it. Once again, super comfy, cute, versatile. You know the drill. You wouldn't even know I have like a 6-pack under here. Well, not a 6-pack, but you know. You wouldn't even know, like, looking at this, you'd be like, but then, you know? So it's like a pump cover. There are plenty more items besides this. I know this was a really fast haul, but there's like tons of items dropping for real. So if you guys get anything, if you watch this haul and you do not use code MamaSwole, you're fake. And you got bad karma coming your way. But I know that that's not gonna happen. I know you guys are all gonna use code MamaSwole to support me and to save yourself, like I said, 30%. 30%. And that's for the entire week. So like, you got a little bit. But don't procrastinate. If you liked anything you saw in this video and you want to get anything, I would recommend not waiting or procrastinating because it's gonna sell out, baby. You saw this, everything's fire, so it's definitely gonna sell out. So jump on it ASAP. Link is in the description, rawgear.com. Go check it out. Use my code to save and support me. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you did, make sure you give it a like. Subscribe to join the Swole Squad. Comment below your favorite item from this haul. If you'd like to support me on Patreon for just $2 a month, link is in the description. Shout out to my patrons. I love you so much. If you'd like to support me on Venmo, Cash App, or PayPal, link is also in the description. I also have merch and I have workout programs on mamaswole.com, so make sure you go check all that out. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a good ass day.
Gotta get my weight up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Weight in the cake up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn up in the gym, know I'm calling Mama Swole. Bad little shorty, and you know I'm on a roll.
Press like an empress, no one to impress, bitch. Find me on the guest list. Got that Louis V necklace. Subscribe to the Mama Swole channel. Even if your name is Randall. Got it lit like a candle. Catch me swerving in the Lambo.